Hey kiddos, we have a new story this week. It is called Jalapeno Bagels. And as you know, with every story, we have new vocabulary. So I'm just going to go over those new vocabulary words for you. So let me show you here. Okay, so our first word is bakery. The woman puts a cake on display at the bakery. A bakery is a place where bread, pies, cakes, and pastries are made or sold. So this is what a bakery would look like. This reminds me of something that I would see at Disneyland. If you've ever been to Disneyland, you see bakeries that look like this, or in a big town or a big city. So for bakery, in my class, we usually put hand motions with our vocabulary. So for bakery, we are just going to we have our cake, and then we're going to put it in the oven for bakery. Our next word is going to be batch, okay? So the baker displays a batch of cooled cookies. A batch is a quantity of something made of the same item, okay? So this is a batch of cookies. A lot of the times you'll hear a dozen cookies. That could be a batch of cookies. So if we take a batch of cookies over to our neighbor's house, we would probably carry it maybe in a cute little basket like Little Red Riding Hood did. So we're going to take our basket and we're going to give it to our neighbor with our batch of cookies. Next word, we have boils. Water boils in a pot on the stove. Boils means causes a liquid to bubble and give off steam by heating it. So for our motion for boils, we're going to go like this, bloop, 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 because that's what it kind of does in the pan or the pot. Next word is braided. This is a braided bread. Braided describes something that is woven or twined together. So for braided, our motion could be like this. We are braiding someone's hair. It's kind of what our hands do when we're braiding their hair. Next word is dough. The man is kneading the dough. Dough is a soft, thick mixture of flour, liquid, and other things from which breads, biscuits, cakes, and pie crusts are made. So dough, we're just going to knead the dough. However you knead your dough. Okay, so that brings us to ingredients. There we go, that's better. Flour, sugar, and vanilla are some of the ingredients on the table. Ingredients are parts of a mixture. So for our motion, we're gonna add in some ingredients. So we can add, and here's our bowl, add in some flour, some vanilla, we have, jelly beans. We could put those in there. Those are ingredients. And that takes us to our last word, which is mixture. She added milk to the mixture of flour and eggs. A mixture is a mixed condition. That one's easy. Here's our bowl, and we're just gonna mix it, mix it, mix it, okay? So to review those, back to the top, start with bakery. This is where we have our pie or a cake or our cookies, and we're gonna put it into the oven to bake for the bakery. And batch, we're gonna give our batch of cookies in our cute little basket to our neighbor, just like Little Red Riding Hood did. Boils, bloop, 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 bloop. And braided, that's when you weave something. Dough, go ahead and knead your dough, push it. Ingredients, here's your bowl, add in those ingredients. And last, mixture, mix that stuff up real good. Okay, so those are our vocabulary words for this week. I know our motions are kind of strange, but that's what we got to do to remember them. Bye, guys.